morning, students. Today we will discuss the syllabus of English grammar for class 6. So please open your worksheet folder in which we have given the syllabus. First is creative writing. First A is essay. There are two essays, land pollution and my favorite game. Land pollution is included in your first bi-monthly and it is on page number 183 of your book. So you can easily copy down in your classwork copy. Okay. Second is stories. Two stories, union is strength, the lion and the mouse. The first one is included in bi-monthly and that is on page number 202. Third is application. Two applications are there. Number one, write to the principal for sick leave, and second is for school leaving certificate. So first one for sick leave, it is included in your bi-monthly and it is on page number 198. Next is letter. There are two letters. First one to the father telling him about your performance in exam, and this is included in the first bi-monthly. It is on page number 193. Then grammar portion, we will do dictionary symbols, then antonyms which are given in your quiz. I will show you the quiz page also. Next is synonyms, which is also given in your worksheet folder. Then homophones, these are words, pair of words, and it is included in your first bi-monthly. We will do exercise A and C and 25 words in your copy. Then anagrams, it is included in first bi-monthly. Then prefixes, suffixes, parts of speech, definition with examples. You know there are 8 parts of speech. We will do these in the classwork copy, definition with examples. Then sentences, we will do simple sentences of tenses which we will do in this term. We are doing just simple present, past and future tense. Then punctuation, exercise A, B and C, which is included in first bi-monthly. Then chapter of article also included in first bi-monthly, and modal verbs may and might. Now as I told you, in the translation we will do simple present, past and future tense. The exercises are written and the page number are also there. Then translations, we will do 15 sentences from the above 3 tenses. We will take 5 sentences from each tense. Proverbs, which are given at the back of your book, and we will take 20 proverbs from it, which is included in your bi-monthly. Now comes the quiz. You turn the pages of your worksheet folder. So here you will find the quiz. First one is forms of verbs. First is regular verbs, how you have to make the second form and third form. Then turn the page. Then we have irregular verbs. The list is given below. There are 25 words. You have to learn these for your bi-monthly as well as midterm. Then comes adjectives. You know we have 3 degrees of adjective: positive, comparative and superlative. We have given you 25 words. You have to learn these, okay, for your bi-monthly as well as midterm. So this is about your adjective. Then comes, turn the page. Then singular and plural are there. 25 words, masculine, feminine. these all you have to learn. So now it's time, you have time, so you can easily learn all your quiz related topics. Synonyms, here again 20 words are given. Similar words, then antonyms, opposite words. Try to memorize these during your vacations, okay? Then comes prefixes and suffixes. Prefixes means you have to add some words before the actual word to change the meaning of that word. For example, able, you will make unable. Suffixes, you will add some words after the given word. For example, great, and the new word will be grateful. So this is all about your quiz, and the next is about your English conversation. In this term we have chosen 2 topics, myself and shopping. So under these 2 topics we have given you the questions, and during the exams we will ask you the answers of these questions. So you can also prepare this. You can prepare during these holidays. We have 2 topics for English conversation. Okay, thank you children.